British said it was impossible. Imagine someone telling you India can never build world-class steel. Today, that sounds ridiculous. But that's exactly what many British experts believed over 100 years ago. And one man decided to prove them wrong. His name was Jamsetji Tata. Back then, India had almost no industrial ecosystem, no supply chain, no skilled workforce, no manufacturing infrastructure. Building a steel plant was not just difficult, people thought it was impossible. But Jamsetji Tata had a different vision. He was not building a factory, he was building India's future. Even after his death, his team continued the mission. Eventually, Tata Steel was born. And today, Tata Steel operates across multiple countries and it respected globally. The leadership lesson, what you can learn from this story is, great leaders don't build businesses around the current limitation. They build around future possibilities. Most people see obstacles, visionaries sees opportunities. I see same challenges today. Many manufacturers tells me our industry is different. Our buyer don't come online. Brand building exercise won't work for us. That's exactly how disruption begins. The company that embrace change early become market leader. The one that resist it, spending years trying to catch up. I'm Nandan from Adco Network Private Limited. We help manufacturing companies build visibility, authority and growth in a changing world. Follow me for more insight on manufacturing growth strategy, and thanks for watching.